Hey everybody, how's it going? Video on some Ryobi stuff I got. I didn't just get this stuff. I got a bit of it here, a bit of it there, and finally I've got it all together now that I can do a video. Okay, we'll start with first thing first. I think I might have shown this in a previous video. Ryobi. This is going to be a Ryobi themed video, in case you didn't guess. It's an SAE and metric 3/8 inch drive socket set. Ratchet. 90 tooth ratchet. Sounds like it needs lube, but other than that it's nice. Comes with a U-joint. U-joint and extension. It goes from, what do we got here? 7/8, the largest. And I guess 1/4 inch would be the smallest. Yep. And on the metric side, probably 19 and 8, I'm gonna guess. 7. Ooh, 7. This one goes to 7. Yeah, so it's a nice little socket set. All 6-point. Just something I want to keep in my car. That's what this set is gonna be for. So there's that. We'll set that off to the side. So if you got sockets, what are you gonna need? Wrenches. Ooh, look at that, folks. Ryobi wrenches. It's Ryobi 11-piece metric combination wrench set. Quality-wise, I don't know. Limited lifetime warranty. Made in India. In my experience, that's either good or bad. Let's pop this open. Again, these aren't going to be everyday wrenches. These are like for an emergency car kit. Jeez Louise. All right, hold on. There we go. Now, I'm assuming this should just pop up, no? Is there a trick to this I don't know of? Nope, it just sticks in there. Okay, that's handy. So there you go. And this goes from 19... 18, I'm just wondering if there's any skips. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, and 8. So it skips 9. I'm okay with that. They're not bad. They have a really nice chrome anyway. I mean, that's about all I can say about them. I haven't used them. They feel all right. Say Ryobi. There we go. See that? Looks pretty cool, eh? They're well marked, the size. 19 millimeter there, 19 there, 19 there, 19 there, both sides. So 4 places. Not bad. Little holder's kind of handy too. It does close up again so they won't fall out. So there's our sockets and wrenches covered. Let's put that up there. Next, so once you get that, you're going to need what? Screwdrivers. So we're just going for a basic toolkit here. As you can see, the theme for a car. Socket, wrenches, screwdrivers. Let me try this thingy. I don't like it at all. I'm going to try the scissors, because I know they work. Actually, a regular knife would be good. Ye old utility knife. So you get 2 flats. There you go. 1/4 and 5/16. Marked on the head. Some kind of textured tip with a coating on it. Can you see that? I'm assuming that's supposed to be for extra grip of some sort. They're nice looking. I like the handles. I mean, these aren't, we're not talking about tool truck quality tools here. We are talking Ryobi, but I do like the handles. And I like the bright colors. They're good when you're working on your car at the side of the road, you know, when it inevitably breaks down in the dark. So it's nice to be able to see where your tools went. Okay, next up we have 2 Phillips. Number 1, number 2. Again, some coating on the top. Would have been nice if they had a hex on the shaft somewhere, but not a big deal. They do have this opening through the handle, but not sure if that's what it's designed for, but that's what people are going to use it for, including me. So there you go. Get those. And then we've got a T10 and the T15 Torx. Same thing, coated on the tips. Don't know, they look all right. The points on the stars look sharp. That's always a good sign. Let's put those there. And last but not least, what is this one? It's so special they've got it in its own. A 3/16 flat. I don't know what the special about this. SL 3/16. Just a small flat screwdriver. I suppose it's good for lots of things. Where are you, camera? Well, where are you, camera? There we go. So there's that. We've got our nice Ryobi screwdrivers, sockets, wrenches, garbage. Then what else you need? Well, you need some pliers. Got some 8-inch quick adjust tongue and groove plier. They're kind of a Knipex clone dealie. Up to 1.5 inch they open. What does it say? Quick adjust, hardened V-jaw, slim profile, chrome vanadium steel for increased durability. Just where is it made? Where is it made? Made in Korea. I can't speak on the quality of Korean tools. I don't know. That was easier. Hate this packaging. I don't know anybody that doesn't hate it. I can't have a plastic straw, but hey, we can put 68 layers of plastic on your package, on your pliers, you know. So there they are. Very much like Knipex Cobras. I'm sure not of the same quality. The teeth in the jaws feel nice and sharp. I don't know of the hardness of them, but they are well made. They're nice looking pliers, and they were like $20, I believe these were. I should have mentioned that. I think this was 40, this was like 30, this was 25 for the screwdrivers. Pliers were like 15 or $20. I'm not sure. Most of you people are watching are in the US anyway, so I'm talking in Canadian prices. So you've got those pliers. Then you need some what? Some side cutters. Well, that went too easy. Again, nothing special about them. Just some Ryobi 6-inch high leverage diagonal pliers. 30% less force required. I don't know how they figured that. They look like ordinary side cutters or dikes. These ones are made in China. All right. And what other kind of pliers you need? That's what you need. Needle nose. 6-inch high leverage long nose pliers. High leverage, bolt grip area, slim profile, chrome vanadium steel, increased durability, 30% less force. Again, where are these made? Ported by, made in China. Okay. All right. They're nice. Ooh, they got a nice little Ryobi sign. They all have the nice little Ryobi markings on the handles. And again, I like the color, the brightness, so they don't disappear when you're working under a car in the dark or in an engine compartment. They're nice. The jaws line up nice. You guys can see that? Not bad for a Ryobi plier. They look well made. They feel well made. I like them. Only time will tell. I can't speak to their quality because it's Ryobi hand tools, so unknown to me. I like their cordless tools, but I don't know anything about these. They feel good, so we'll see. Again, they're going to see limited, if any, use. Hopefully, I never ever have to use them. Okay, and last but not least, the old Ryobi knife. So this one just, yeah, nice. Because you need a knife in every toolkit. Okay, so let's get this stuff out of here. One last thing to go. I know this video is already long enough. What are we sitting at here? Oh, 10 minutes. All right. Big box here. Let's open the big box off camera so it doesn't get in the way. This is way bigger than I expected. Dun dun dun. It's a Ryobi backpack tool bag. It's a 16-inch backpack with tool organizer. 1680D. Heavy duty pockets, 30 pockets for optimal organization. Blah, blah, blah. Where is this made? Made in China. Limited lifetime warranty. It has heavy duty pockets, water resistant material, 30 pockets, removable tool organizer included, padded back for extra comfort, durable molded base, durable easy close zipper. Specifications 20 inches by 16 by 8. So 16 wide, 20 high, 8 inches deep. And suck this down. Well, it's definitely Ryobi. So far I'm digging it. Ooh, they've got a nice plastic covering over the Ryobi symbol to protect it. How fancy. I feel like one of those Rolls-Royce videos. Ryobi. It's got a pocket on the front. First of all, we've got the one little pocket, zipper pocket in front, where you put your smokes and your weed. You got bigger pockets for your phone, your wallet, more weed. Up here we got another pocket. Pockets are fairly, they have like a padding to them or an insulation. I don't know. Put whatever you want in there. You can put your weed in there. What else we got? Side pockets. This side we've got, that's a fairly big pocket. Let me move this stuff out of the way some more so you guys can see better. All right, there we go. So I'm looking at the side pocket here. There you go. It's nice. I like that they all zip closed. I hate pockets that don't have zippers. I'm always worried I'm going to lose things. And this is the same on the other side. Got a strap on this side, so I'm assuming you could use it to, you know, if you're sticking something oversized, you can go through there and down into the pocket. Zip it up, whatever. I don't know, something long. Let's say this. There you go. You got a screwdriver that won't fit in the bag. Boom. I don't know if that's the use. I have no idea. I'm just guessing. I'm sure there's multiple uses. Straps. Nicely padded straps. Let's lift you guys up a bit. Let's turn this thing off so it's not flashing you guys there. Sorry about that. Straps. Nicely padded straps. Adjustable, of course. Wide enough that they won't cut into you if you have to carry it any distance or length of time. Okay, let's open her up. It's nice. It's like a thick nylon. Another nice thing is the bottom is this fully molded plasticky, rubbery substance. Kind of like a Rubbermaid container tote. Whatever type of plastic that is. Zipper, so it's got those zippers that go down both sides, which is nice. Open it up. Alright, so inside, I'll take that aside. We've got a zipper pocket here with a mesh zipper pocket. Bring you back down. 2 pockets. Nice big expandable pockets, so you can put something fairly thick in there. So that's in the opening, that side. In the back here, we've got another big, deep pocket that's full width, full depth, and solid bottom. I'm guessing this bottom is waterproof too, so if you're setting it in puddles and stuff, you'll be fine. It does come with this organizer, which this looks like it'll be a perfect place for screwdrivers. This looks like it'll be a great place for pliers. That looks like a great place for a knife. Let's see. Let's go big screwdriver there. Screwdriver there. Anyway, you guys get the point. You don't need to see me load this thing up. But there you go. In the back, it also has 2 big pouches there and 2 full-length pouches there. Probably put wrenches in the back there, I think. Not sure how I'm going to organize it. It's nice. I like it, though. It's you know, I just kind of wanted to go with the whole Ryobi theme. No specific reason. I know there's going to be a bunch of guys in comments who are going to say, oh, Ryobi tools suck, blah, blah, blah. Whatever. I don't care. I like them. I like Ryobi tools. And I'm going to give the hand tools a try. They're cheap. They're not bad. Like I say, hopefully I'll never even have to use them. So we'll never know. Oh, I got to put them all facing out with Ryobi signs out. Anyway, so that's it. Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. I will answer them to the best of my ability. Yeah, don't forget to like, subscribe, share, all that good stuff. Have a great week. Take care, everybody. Bye.